The Artemis Accords, setting the stage for Moon and Mars exploration. As humanity sets its sights on returning to the Moon and venturing onward to Mars, international collaboration is more important than ever. Pooling resources, sharing expertise, and avoiding duplication of efforts are critical to making these ambitious goals achievable. For example, the International Space Station, ISS, is a testament to successful international collaboration, where multiple nations have worked together to achieve continuous human presence in space and conduct valuable scientific research. Enter the Artemis Accords, a set of guidelines designed to promote peaceful, cooperative and transparent exploration of space. Introduced by NASA in October 2020, these agreements have been signed by 48 countries and counting, each committed to upholding a shared vision for sustainable space exploration, guiding principles for a new era of space exploration. The Artemis Accords are more than just an agreement. They are a comprehensive framework, featuring specific principles such as transparency, peaceful use, and interoperability. These accords set themselves apart from previous space agreements and have garnered support from 48 participating countries. They serve as a blueprint for how we, as a global community, can safely explore and utilize space. Here are the key principles that make these accords vital to the future of space exploration. Peaceful exploration. All activities conducted under the Artemis Accords are for peaceful purposes, ensuring that space remains a domain of exploration and collaboration rather than conflict. Transparency. Trust is the foundation of any successful partnership, and the Accords emphasize transparency in space policies and plans, promoting open communication and cooperation between nations. Interoperability. The goal is to create systems that work seamlessly with one another, enhancing collaboration among different space agencies and reducing risks during joint missions. Emergency assistance. Space is unforgiving and help is essential. The Artemis Accords ensure that astronauts in distress can receive assistance, reinforcing the commitment to safety for all spacefarers. Registration of space objects. To maintain transparency and avoid conflicts, signatories agree to register their space objects, making it easier to track activities and ensure accountability. Release of scientific data. Sharing is caring, especially in space exploration. The Artemis Accords encourage the public release of scientific data to benefit the entire global community, helping to advance our collective understanding of the universe. For example, data sharing from the Apollo missions and the Hubble Space Telescope has led to significant scientific breakthroughs and inspired generations of researchers. Preservation of outer space. Heritage. Humanity's history in space is precious. The Accords call for the protection of historically significant sites and artifacts, such as the Apollo landing sites, ensuring that our space heritage is preserved for future generations. Space resources. Space is full of potential resources, from water ice on the Moon to minerals on asteroids. The Artemis Accords affirm that resource extraction should be conducted safely, sustainably, and in line with international law, without claims of national ownership. Deconfliction of activities. With multiple nations operating in space, it is crucial to prevent interference. The Accords establish safety zones around operations to ensure activities do not overlap in harmful ways. These safety zones are defined areas around a mission site where coordination is required to prevent interference with ongoing activities. Orbital debris mitigation. Space junk is a growing problem. The Artemis Accords, underscore the importance of minimizing space debris to keep the space environment safe for current and future missions. Why the Artemis Accords matter? The Artemis Accords represent a landmark framework toward ensuring that space exploration remains a cooperative endeavor. By adhering to these principles, nations are laying the groundwork for peaceful exploration, scientific advancement, and the responsible use of space resources. This framework is crucial for building trust among nations, sharing knowledge, and making sure that the wonders of space exploration are accessible to all of humanity. As we prepare to return to the Moon, establish a sustainable presence there, and eventually set foot on Mars, the Artemis Accords will guide our way, reminding us that the final frontier is not a place for competition, but for collaboration and discovery. Looking to the future, the Artemis Accords are just the beginning. Upcoming missions, such as NASA's Artemis III, which aims to land astronauts on the lunar surface, and collaborative projects focused on developing lunar bases, will build on the principles established by the Accords. Additionally, advancements in technologies like in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, and potential future international partnerships for Mars exploration will further enhance collaboration and push the boundaries of what we can achieve together. As more countries join and as missions to the Moon and Mars progress, the Accords will play a vital role in shaping how we explore space together. If humanity is to take its next great leap, it will do so hand in hand, following the principles that ensure our ventures are safe, sustainable, and for the benefit of all.